Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make watermelon whoopie pies. Alright, for this recipe, these are not going to actually taste like watermelon. They're going to look like little watermelons. So what you need is a package of white cake mix. 15.25 ounces is the one I'm going to use. If you want, you could get 2 packages of the little Pillsbury Funfetti cake mixes. If you could find a green and a red, you can use those instead, but it will change up the ingredients a little bit, so I'll give you both ways. I couldn't find any, so I'm just going to use the white with food coloring. So then you need 2/3 cup of flour if you're going to do just the one box like I am. And then you need 3 eggs, 2/3 cup of water, and then red and green food coloring. And then you need 1 tub of frosting, any kind you like. I was just doing the strawberry. You could do any color that you want. You could do white if you want. And then I'm going to use mini chocolate chips to put on the top, so it looks like the little seeds. But you could also use like gel pens or anything else that you want to put to make little dots. So if you are going to use the 2 packages, though, I'm going to tell you the ingredients for that because it's a little different. You'll need 1 cup of flour divided, so you'll need a 1/2 cup for each of your cake mixes. Then you'll need 4 eggs divided, so you know that's 2 eggs each. And then 1 cup of water divided, so a 1/2 cup each. And then the same with the frosting and the mini chocolate chips. Okay, so let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 350, and then you just want to line a big baking dish with parchment paper or cookie sheet, or if you need to use 2, that's fine too. Okay, so next in a large bowl, you just want to go ahead and combine your cake mix, flour, eggs, water, and you just want to mix that with an electric mixer until it is all well combined. Alright, that is all mixed, so I went ahead and took half of my mixture out and put it in another bowl, because now we're going to just go ahead and make our colors. So they can be as green and as red as you want them to be. Alright, I am liking that color for the top of the watermelon, so now I'm going to go ahead and get to work on the green. Alright, that looks like a great green color, so now we are just going to go ahead and put these on our cookie sheets in about 2 tablespoons each. Just make sure they're kind of even because you want the tops and the bottoms to match. Okay, I was able to get 12 of the green, so I'm going to go ahead and stick those in the oven. Just a little tip, you do want to kind of smash them down as much you can with your spoon because you don't want them to be just a blob like you would like regular cookies. You do want to kind of spread them out as best you can, and we are going to go ahead and bake those for about 9 minutes or until they're golden brown. My green are all ready to come out of the oven. They are very puffy and just way puffier than I would like. So if you want to pipe your dough onto the plate or onto the baking sheet, you might get a better result, but they are still really cute. I'm going to go ahead and put them on a wire rack to cool completely and get my red in. Alright, my green are up on the rack getting ready to cool. I just took my spatula and kind of pressed them all down lightly just so they would be a little flatter. It's okay to be puffy, but they were just a little too puffy. Alright, my red is ready to go in the oven. I'm just going to do the same thing. About 9 minutes. I think my green were done in exactly 8 minutes. Okay, the red are out of the oven. I'm going to go ahead and just do the same thing. I'm going to put them on top of my rack to cool and just go ahead and press the bottoms down with the tops with the spatula. Okay, while these are still hot, you want to just go ahead and put on your mini chocolate chips on the top so they look like the watermelon seeds. I just put all of my little chocolate chips on, and now I'm just going to let those continue to cool. But in the meantime, you can go ahead and add your pink or whatever color frosting you want to add. All of my green cookies or whoopie pies are cooled off, so I just turned them over. And then I took my icing and put it in a Ziploc bag, and I'm going to cut the end off and just pipe a very good amount, as much or as little as you want, onto this side of your green, because you want the pretty side to be down to where it shows everybody. When they pick it up, they'll see that and not this. Those look pretty yummy, so now I'm going to go ahead and just put my tops on them, and then we'll have our complete little watermelon whoopie pies. Okay, those are all ready, and they are all assembled, and they just look so cute. I was having a little bit of a problem. I don't think my green were all the way done, and they were sticking to the bottom of my pan. So I'm going to put them all up here so they can maybe set up a little better, but we're going to have Taste Tester have a little taste. Okay, Taste Tester, have a little taste.
Okay.
It's a little bit sticky on the bottom.
Yummy.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. I like it.
Bye.